Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Today a quick video on the Mercedes W211. This is the E-Class from 2003 to 2009. How to find the fuse for the traction control module, ABS module there. So if you have a traction control light, BAS light, that'll be the first thing to check, guys. Make sure it's not burnt. It's a small fuse. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that now. Alright guys, so we will need to open the hood. Okay, let me show you where the fuse now is. Okay, this is the fuse box right here. So in order to remove it, guys, this is the cover. You need to slide this one in towards to unlock, and there should be one more here that's broken. Ours is broken, somebody messed with it. Okay, and you're just going to pull, okay, the cover out of there. Okay, now we can get to the fuses. So the fuses, guys, number it should be number 47, okay, which should be a 5 amp fuse for our model right here. So you pull it out and you check it. Okay, let me see, and this one looks perfectly healthy. So we have a problem with our vehicle somewhere else, but I'll be the first thing to check, guys, because fuse is the easiest to do from all. Okay, so all you have to do, just push it in when you get the new one, and you might try to reset the codes and see if that fixes it. Sometimes it could be a loose fuse. If not, we will have a video, okay, how to remove and replace the module itself right here. Not very complicated as well. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe and see. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.